I had a friend of the channel ask about explaining the spelling of four-note chords and beyond, so beyond just major and minor triads, into something with some extensions. So I think a really solid place to start is to begin to memorize a sequence of thirds, or at least recognize a sequence of thirds and begin to get familiar with it. So if we start from C, a third is going to mean that we're going to move 3 alphabet letters. So from C, C, D, E. So C to E is a third. E, F, G. E to G is a third. So we have C, E, G. Now, if we were looking to spell a chord, that would conform right there, C, E, G, to a C major chord. We have C to E is a third, major third, and E to G is a minor third. Now, if we continue up, the next third from G, C, E, G, would be B. So we've gone C, E, G, B. And if we count them from the root, if we call C 1, then we have 1, 3, 5, 7. If we continue on from B, B, C, D, we have what would be considered the ninth from C. C, E, G, B, D. So it's a sequence of thirds. So if you have a C major chord and you add a D, you're adding the ninth. If you add a D flat, you're adding the flat 9. C, E, G, B, D, F. F would be the 11th from C. So C is 1, E is 3, G is 5, B is 7, D is 9, F is 11, and A would be the 13th. C, E, G, B, D, F, A. You'll notice also that other triads are showing their face in there. So C, E, G, C major, E, G, B, E minor, G, B, D is G major, B, D, F is B minor, D, F, A is D minor, and so it goes. So if we were to add accidentals to any of this, say C, E flat, G, we'd now have C minor chord. If we went on further, C, E flat, G, B flat, we'd have a minor 7th chord. So we're always thinking up from triads, adding thirds, and the size of the third that we add determines if it's a sharp 9, a flat 9, a natural 9, that kind of thing. If you have questions, please ask in the comments below. I'm going to try to have a list of the thirds here as I talk about them, so you can see visually what's going on. And I hope this is just a start to clearing up any confusion you have. And I look forward to seeing your comments and if this is addressing anything useful. I wish you, as always, a very, very good day.